Picture a world where high-speed internet isn't a luxury, but a standard. A world where uninterrupted streaming, swift downloads, and seamless communication are the norm. That's the world the CommScope 204 MHz digital return is creating. The CommScope 204 MHz split isn't just a digital return solution, it's a game changer. It's a tool that allows operators to deploy a high-split upstream network, unlocking the profound potential of DOCSIS 3.1. Think symmetrical 1 gigabits per second speeds. Picture consistent, top-notch performance across all link distances. The CommScope 204 MHz digital return is not just improving the internet, it's revolutionizing it. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly makes the CommScope 204 MHz digital return stand out? Its robust optical link is at the heart of its impressive capabilities. This technology ensures optimal performance regardless of the link distance. It's a promise of reliability, a guarantee of speed. But the benefits of the CommScope 204 MHz digital return don't stop there. By unlocking the full potential of DOCSIS 3.1, it's paving the way for symmetrical 1 gigabits per second speeds. That's the kind of speed that doesn't just improve operations, it transforms them. With the CommScope 204 MHz digital return, you're not just getting a product, you're investing in a future where high-speed, reliable internet is the standard. You're betting on a world where your operations are not just efficient, but revolutionary. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Reach out to Tulsat today and discover how the CommScope 204 MHz digital return can revolutionize your operations. Remember, the future of the internet isn't just about speed. It's about reliability, consistency, and limitless potential. Embrace that future with the CommScope 204 MHz digital return. Contact Tulsat today. Your gateway to a faster, better, more efficient tomorrow. 1-800-331-5997.